let's take a look at the setup and first use of the Barista Touch. Enjoying third-wave specialty coffee is made possible using the 4 keys formula found inside every Breville espresso machine, just like this one. Full-bodied espresso with rich and complex flavors is created using the ideal dose of 18 to 22 grams of freshly ground beans, with the brew water temperature delivered at precisely 200 degrees Fahrenheit, just like a commercial machine. You'll also need the right pressure during the extraction, and this time, bigger is definitely not better. We start with low-pressure pre-infusion, followed by a high-pressure 9-bar extraction process delivered via our 15-bar Italian pump and an overpressure valve. And last but not least, powerful steam pressure at 260 degrees Fahrenheit is essential for creating shiny, silky microfoam that has a rich, velvety mouthfeel. Without microfoam, latte art is impossible. Right, now let's wash all the parts and accessories and dry thoroughly before use. Soak the filter in water for 5 minutes. Set the new filter to the current month. Pop it into the filter holder. Fit the holder snugly into the bottom of the tank and fill with cold water. Check your water hardness by dipping this test strip into the water tank. You'll use this info shortly. Fit the bean hopper to the top of the machine like this, locking it into place. Place the water tank into the machine. Choosing the right filter basket to match your brew will help achieve a balanced coffee. Use a 2-cup filter basket when making 2 coffees, or when you want a stronger coffee. On the other hand, if you are making a single cup or a weaker coffee, use the 1-cup filter basket. You might have noticed there are also single and dual wall filter baskets with your machine. When your coffee beans are at their peak of 5 to 30 days out of roast, use the single wall filter basket. But if they're older than 30 days, or the bag is a best before or use by date, use the dual wall filter basket. Now, let's power it up. Follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen to guide you through the first use setup. It's pretty simple. When prompted, enter the result from the water hardness test strip, so the machine automatically alerts you when to descale or change the filter. Now the machine is set up, you're ready to make your first coffee.